Hi guys, this is a generic multi-tool. It says in the description that it's an 18 in 1, but I don't think it is. I counted like 13 in 1. So let me open it for you. Yeah, so it came with a pouch. Yeah, this is very nice. You can put it in your belt. And so this is the knife. And let me just show it here. The workmanship is good. And it's made of stainless steel. I'm not just sure what kind of stainless steel. It's got a belt clip, so it's quite handy if you don't want to use the nylon what do you call this, like a bag. Yeah. Let's put it aside. So yeah, so it came with a, first of all, it's a bit hefty. It's spring loaded, by the way. Was the normal pliers, long nose, standard pliers, a cutter right there, replaceable blade. Yeah, both ends are replaceable. It didn't come with a spare though, so you have to buy it somewhere. I don't know if you can buy it online, haven't checked. So you can, it's hard. Let me pause for a while. Let's continue. So the first tool show you is the knife. Yeah. So it also came with a lock there. Locks in place. And so let me try. Just a piece of paper. That would be sharp. Yeah, it's not too bad. So that's the knife. The next is where are you? And the scissors. And let me get the paper again. Oops. What I noticed about the knife though is it jams, and so it needs some loosen up. But anyway, let's try. Yeah. It's not perfect. Okay, right. Maybe it's not too bad. Then after that, inside you've got here. Right. So you have bottle opener. I think it's bottle opener. But I notice is not sharp. Yeah, it's not sharp. You have a screwdriver there. This is a no, this one is a can opener. Did I say that? This one is the bottle opener. And I don't know what's this one. This is for wire cutter. Sorry, wire stripper rather. Came also with a lock here, so it doesn't close without pressing it. But it's not that good though. Yeah, it's a bit loose. Then you have this, the seatbelt cutter, or cutter in general, like strings and stuff. I'm not too sure what's this one though here. Yeah. So yeah, they all lock in place. So yeah, and was that. And on the other end, you have the, yeah, I think it's like a thread there, and it's just for boring hole. You have a screwdriver here, and it also locks in place. So this is a generic multi-tool. It doesn't have a brand. I noticed also that um, the materials used are a bit thin. Yeah, there. It's thin, but not too thin. You'd notice it's a bit thinner. So this is a branded Swiss tool, Swiss Tech tool. Yeah, this is way better. So yeah, so that's the generic. They say 18-in-1 multi-tool. Some things that I wish it should have is the saw. Yeah, if you're camping, it's very important. Yeah, so this one got a saw. So this is nice. This one doesn't have. It's a bit hefty, similar to this one. Although this one is a bit heavy. And in terms of thickness, they're about the same thing. Sorry, I don't have a ruler. But this one has more. So this is relatively good buy if you want just a generic one or really cheap one. So this is less than 1,000 pesos. It's on sale now and I got this for about 900. So that's about how much? Yeah, $18. So yeah, not too bad for a tool. Yeah, which you can carry. So yeah, thank you guys. Please subscribe and like.